What's up, YouTube? This is John with Raw Bell Photos, local photographer here in Newport News, Virginia. But today I am going to be a YouTuber trying to do handyman stuff. Done this before, but I've been watching a whole lot of reviews online saying that you can pressure wash or clean your fence without a pressure washer. Buy bleach, put it in a pump sprayer, and let all the bleach do the work for you. I'm telling you, it is not that easy. Let me show you. Here's some of the stuff that I've already done. Here's some of my problem area. I've been in this house for about 4 years, almost 4 years, and I've sprayed this with bleach several times. You can see that the bleach has done some work, but I am not getting the desired results from bleach alone. So when I come over here, this has been pressure washed. This had 3 treatments of bleach and it just wasn't working for me. There's a whole lot of fence, and I don't have a whole long day to do all this stuff, and I want to be done. I've been out here for about 6 hours over the last 2 days, and now I'm ready to go inside. Take a look at this hat. It's filthy. It's filthy. What I did over here was I thought if I got the pressure washer and I just put little gaps in some of this mold, I can come back through, because now the bleach would be able to penetrate this mold and this algae. But even after I've bleached this 4th and 5th time, it is not coming off. So now I'm just gonna have to go and do it manually with the pressure washer. So no shortcuts today. I'm gonna put up a time lapse so you can see how long it's taking to do each panel and how much more I have to do. A lot of work already done. I did try this product, the 30-second outdoor cleaner. It worked great on the house. House wasn't too filthy, but the fence sucks, and there has not been a single spot on the fence that actually did amazing stuff. So you can see right here, this area is a little bit brighter than the rest. Some of it has something to do with the sun, but it does look like the bleach has been working through on that particular area. The bleach and the 30-second outdoor cleaner, that did help with the deck, but it wasn't significant. I still had to pressure wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this hyperlapse and finish this day out. Now I only want to take like a second to talk about like what kind of equipment I'm using, because I really don't care what you use. The higher the PSI in your pressure washer, the easier it's going to be to get a lot of different jobs done, but the better the chance is that you're actually going to tear something up. Also, depending on what tip that you decide to use with your job, could greatly affect the outcome of what you're trying to achieve. So I've been using this white tip for most of the fence, and realized that the white tip, although it's nice and wide, it was taking me longer to get the job done. want to have some really cool angles on some of your videos, pick up one of these. It's an adjustable clamp with a spot to hold your equipment right on the end. Watch this. So next day after, all those marks that are in the fence still kind of there, but that bleach just keeps eating and whitening, and now this fence looks like it's brand new. It looks good. Very happy with the outcome. Pressure washing. Even the bright spot that was here, still a little bit there, but I think that's going to keep getting brighter as well, so it's gonna be great.